Oh, what? Oh, no. Can you step up? Can you step up? We ready to try things, Pickle?
If you want to take out your frustrations, here's a ball. Okay, you don't want the ball to. Got it.
Yeah, he's too interested in that new thing up there.
Get out of it.
Yeah. He's probably not going to be in the mood for much today.
Get out of it. Oh my god, this is so heavy.
No. Oh, jeez. You want to be a garlic pickle?
Pickle.
Yeah, he wants to be a garlic pickle.
Pickle.
Away he goes on an adventure.
Did you like granola? You gotta come here though.
Whoop! Oh goodness.
Step up. Don't attack me because you fell.
Well, he's got to take it out on someone, doesn't he?
I mean, no. Please let go of that. Step up. Thank you. Use your granola for your trouble.
Oh, jeez.